Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. And off we go. All right, Steamboat Company, Nellie Bly, Sightseeing Tours, Jamaica Bay, Coney Island. I don't see any prices on it, but I'm going to go check it out, see what it's all about. I know I didn't come down early, and I know the sun is coming up later. Get out of here. Bugs, man, curious, all over the place. Oh man, this is the shot. You can see the sun's up. I'm right on time. No bug in my camera's view this time. Yeah, I think I take a nice view of the area. I'm gonna just simply ride because go down towards the beach and check out what the beach looks like. They took away my path, left me this narrow walkway. Unbelievable. Okay, you gotta be careful. Lucky I cut my handlebars down. I wouldn't fit through this. So now, off we go. So I'm thinking, and yeah, all I gotta do is do it. Do it, Fish. Do it. More or less, I'm done. I just can't deal with it no more. I want to get off of level 1 as well. Some people know what I mean. You may not know what I mean. Some people may find it funny. Some may not. Man, I got it. I just don't think some people may get it. The blues, they're running. They're out there. And you can smell them coming in. I don't love blues. Blues you can catch, all different sizes. They're oily. Put some oranges, tangerines, apple, lemon, lime. Squeeze the juice. And you got yourself a nice barbecue fish on the grill. Similar to weak fish, if asked. Yeah, weak fish is a nice fish. Delicate to catch. They got a weak mouth. That's why they're called weak fish. I'll take one last look at the distance of the fish out there. And then we'll get on out of here. This is my block I like to come down. I like the couple of houses that are on here. Yeah. We got 4 of them here. I saw one in red. Yes, I did. From a distance. And man, I'm saying, is that one? Is that really one? It was. Practicing. Touch and go. See, riding with me. Yeah, man. I gotta turn, get out of his way. I said a lot, did a lot, shared a lot, showed some. I don't think anything is gonna get across to anyone. And yeah, that's what happens. Drill, drill, drill. Just won't work. I tried, the least I can say. And I shared, the least I can do. And on that note, it's time to pack you up and put you away for another day. On that note, I'm Fish, and I'll catch you later.